Continuing in our inequality solving, sometimes it happens that you don't have x is less than or equal to or greater than or equal to or less than or equal to a number already. You have to uncover that relationship. So sometimes we have to solve and then plot. So here's something that looks like an equation, 2x plus 3, and instead of equals a 1, we're saying this is greater than 1. And so, but your rules of solving linear equations still work here. So if I'm adding 3, I need to undo it. I'm going to subtract 3 to both sides, and so then I get 2x is greater than 1 subtract 3 is negative 2, and then it's 2 times x, so I undo it by dividing both sides by 2. These cancel out to make a 1, and so this is x is greater than, and then negative 2 divided by 2 is negative 1. So now I have x is greater than negative 1. So now it looks like the prior video, right? So the only thing different here is sometimes you have to do some undoing to isolate the value that is in relationship to x. And so now you create a number line, and then you show where is negative 1. Well, here it is. I'm going to circle it but not fill it in because it's not or equal to. So it's x is greater than negative 1. So I need numbers that are less negative. So if x, works for values of x bigger than negative 1, then I'm going in this direction, and so I draw an arrow to represent that. Let's do a quick mental math check. If I have 0, which is bigger than negative 1, and I plug 0 in here, 2 times 0 is 0, and in fact 3 is greater than 1. So we have definitely plotted in the right direction. There's only one more in this video. Here's that problem. This is 3x subtract 4 is less than or equal to 17. Again, we use our linear algebra skills of undoing. If I'm subtracting 4, I'm going to add 4. And so I've got 3x is less than or equal to 21. And then I have 3 times x. To undo that is division. And then that cancels out to a 1, and 21 divided by 3 is 7, so I'm left with x is less than or equal to 7. So now I have uncovered the number that is in relationship to x. I create a number line to represent that. So here's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is all the way here. This is or equal to, so I'll circle and close in. And this is for all values that are less than and equal or equal to 7. And so that means I'm going in this direction to go less than 7. To do a quick check, let's plug in 5, because 5 is less than 7. 3 times 5 is 15. 15 subtract 4 is 11. 11 is in fact less than 17. Remember, it didn't have to also equal. It's less than or equal to, okay? So that's how you use your linear solving skills to isolate the value that's in relationship to x and plot on your number line.